Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to remove a user from remote access on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To remove a user from remote access on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on System. Here in system settings, you will find system protection and advanced system settings. Click any one of these two. You will find a tab remote. Click on remote tab. And here under remote desktop, you will find a button select user. Click on select users. And here look, a user already selected for remote access. Now I am going to delete this user. Just select the user and you will find a remove button here. Click on remove. Now the user is removed. Click on OK and then click on OK again. Now the user is removed from remote access in Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.